Rick versus Andy. Let's begin.
Andy Bogard, with the Shiranui style. At your service.
Round one. Get ready. Fight.
A match for the books.
Yes.
Ready?
Get ready.
PG. Didn't hear him.
Gotta counterattack. You're good. Get ready.
Round two. Get ready. Fight.
Just warming up.
Dodge this.
Gotta count. Get ready. You're good. You're mine. Alien. Get ready. Get ready. Alien. Oh no! You're mine.
Rick,
A stunning performance on both
don't
sides.
underestimate me. Final round. Get ready. Fight.
Gotta counterattack. You're good. Fatal flare.
Go to
KO. Rick wins.
You're quick, Andy. Thought I'd gotten used to it. But you must have gotten better when I wasn't looking.